What's up, y'all? Just doing some final setup, and I'll be right there. All right, I think I'm ready. Let me share my screen. Cool. So we're looking at warehouse deals again. This is where I'm at right now. So I did a few more things off stream. I looked at adding a no offers message here. So sometimes it would scan and it wouldn't get any results back and it would just say NA. It was kind of confusing about whether it scanned or not. So I added that text, no offers. I also added it, if there are no scans, it would say no scans. I'll show you that in 1 second, because the other feature I added was if this is a current time, meaning 0 hours ago, it was a frequently scanned item, I'm gonna flash it green too. So I want you to watch for that when I clear these scans. All right, so I'll clear out the scans. See, now we got no scans, no scans. None of them have scans. I'll run the refresh. And then you'll see these numbers flash. This flash green saying, hey, we got some scans for you. Or this is like the current price. This one didn't scan. See, so now I also see that this didn't update. So it still says no scans, 0 scans. That one must have failed somehow. Let's check. I've got this new status thing to show scans failed in the past 24 hours. And that one failed. Request failed with the status code of 503. So I was getting a lot of 503 errors from Amazon, even when I was adding a product recently, which was kind of a bummer. I mean, I was scanning the page differently. I was basically doing a GET request to a product page, and it just started giving me 503s and it wouldn't stop. So I ended up switching that over to a different URL, just using the same all offers URL that I was using for the regular price scanning. And it's been working better. I haven't had a failure yet. And this is the first time I've gotten a failure on a regular product scan in a while. So maybe they're catching on to me again. Who knows? But I am tracking these now. I see the scan type came from all offers because they also do the same scan with the product, a new product URL. So let's grab this product and save it, see if that's still working. Yep, it's still working. It grabbed it. I'm gonna drop off some of this name, save it, scans the prices. All right, it's got the freshest price. Cool. I've also gone through and tried to fix a lot of my, let me see if this works. Tried to fix a lot of my database issues. I was having a lot of open connections that would linger. I wasn't closing them out correctly, so I tried to update that with my code. And I think it's been working better. Let's see, I want to go back to this cluster, and I just want to look at the connections. Yeah, so they're upping and dropping quite a bit more, which is nice. I don't know why I still have one connection open. It's been kind of sitting like that. That could be something in my code here. Oops, clear that out. You can see all my connections here. I'm connecting, initializing, and then disconnecting. Sometimes I have an extra disconnected, which is better than having an extra connected, I guess. So, see how that goes. Cool. So what I want to work on today is my run process. So working with CJ, I set up a little while ago, last week, 2 weeks ago, whatever it was, this run process. So it's pinging my server every day, and I want to run all my scans automatically when that happens. I'm not doing it right now, but I'd like to do that. So I want to write out that code today. That would be something like scan all products, and we'll fill that in. But for now, let me change that scheduler, actually, Roku, because it's currently running once a day. I want to run it every hour. Well, actually, I probably want to run it I'll run it every hour while I'm doing this, because I'm probably going to want it more frequently than daily. I'm using the task scheduler, and we'll open the Heroku scheduler. Cool, it's currently going daily. Let's do every hour. I can do every 10 minutes, but that's way too frequently. I don't want to do it that frequently. So every hour, on the hour, do it. Save job. Cool. So I'll save that. Keep that open so we can check it later on. But I can also check it over in my processes. Let me show you real quick. Over here in my Mongo databases, loading, loading, loading. Some jazzy music. We're still listening to the disco. Got to put my banner on. Cool. So, where did my mouse go? Where did my mouse go? There it is. Scans failed. You got one in there. What did I want to look at? Processes. Okay. So, I've got 2 in there right now. I'm also tracking these on my status page. I did 1 in the last 24 hours just to play with it, but let me show you real quick. I have this running over here locally. This is doing npm start. Then that runs it. This is success in the result I got back, and all the running info. So now that will show up. If I refresh this, I should see 2 checks in the last 24 hours. And it shows all of the checks. That will now show up in here. What day is it? 24th? Yeah. So this last one here, that's the one we just got. And that's what's going to be running on our Heroku scheduler every hour. So that's what we're trying to fill out right here, this scan all products. So let's do it. Scan all products, that's going to be new lib. Export async functions. Oops, I got it right here. And then inside of here, we're going to import our database. And we're also going to want to import scan all offers from our lib. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is grab all of the accounts. Well, actually, do I need to grab the accounts? I might just grab the products. Let's look at our database real quick. So we have products. Yeah, I just need the products because in the scan URL is what I'm passing. So everything will be tied to account from there. Did I pass in? Let's look at scan all offers. I think I pass in the account ID. Yeah, that's cool. So that'll be tied to the account ID, and I want to save the results. The only thing is if it errors out along the way, I want to catch that. So I just need to try catch around this guy. But, so let's grab all the products. Database.connect. And then we'll say database.collections, products, find. And the only things that I need from there are the account ID and the scan URL. Right? That's what I'm passing to scan all offers. Scan URL and account ID. Scan URL. And I think that will work. This won't take anything. Let's return products for now. And run that. Error! What did my server say? Scan all products is not defined. Duh! Oops, I missed one. Okay. I did not export that default. Okay. Task scheduler, run again. Cool. What did I get for my products? I got the account ID and I got the scan URL. Cool, man. All right. So I'm getting everything I want. Now I need to go over all of these and scan them. So that would be products.map. Well, yeah, actually I do want to map. Product. I might end up opening this up. Maybe not. Let's just return these, scan all offers. And that's going to be the product.scan URL, product.account ID. And I do want to save those. So I'm going to wrap it in a promise.allSettled. And that should tell me all of them that failed and passed and whatnot. This should be, let's modify our results like that just in case. Should I return all of the things and then do it on the other end? I mean, we could just do it here, but let's console.log results, scan results. So we want all settled because whether it fails or not, I want to keep it. I don't want to reject the whole thing. I want to await that too. Let's see what we get back. Cannot read property scans of null. So they all rejected, status rejected. Let me do a little. Let me call this scan results. And I'll make a new one called scans total will be scan results dot length. Scans failed. Scan results dot filter for the result dot status failure. Is that what it said? Rejected. Scans success. Results dot filter. Results dot status. I'm pretty sure it's fulfilled. Oh, and I want dot length on those. So that will be my scan results. And I'm going to spit out the full thing before. Scan results will be scan results, and this will just be results. Oops. Cannot read property scans of null and scan all offers. Did that have a line number with it? 107? That doesn't seem right. And I don't want that. I want that in here. Oh, it's got to be that. So I'm going to await this in here and then return it. And I do this because otherwise it kicks them all off at once, and when I close out the database connection, things are not working great. And I want to make sure that I end up killing this database before I leave here. Scan all offers response. I might need the try catch in there too, but we'll get there. We're gonna add those later. And this will need to be an async, so. Okay, let's try that again. This might need to be an await. I mean by might, and I also mean definitely. Run results equals. Is this an async? It definitely is. But what did we get in that one? 6 scans, 0 success, 6 failed. Still cannot read property scans of null. What is disconnecting? Oh, that could have been because of the await again. Let's try it. There we go. Now we're getting an actual runtime too. Cool. 1 success, 5 failed. Oh, that's interesting. So I'm still getting some errors, but 1 scan worked. That's weird. So this has got to do with the asyncness of the database stuff. Await, scan all products. So I'm telling the database to connect. Await, scan all offers. Let me do an async check real quick. Scan. Yeah, let's see if that helps in debugging at all. Still failed. Ah, 503, that's better. 503, 503. So only one of them failed with the cannot read property scans. Let me see, how am I doing it in here? When I, oh, that's on scans? No. It's scan all offers. Okay, so I do it a little differently here. Let me do that. I'm going to copy this. Because this is what I'm doing on that other code, and it's working decently. So products, I'm just going to drop all of this. And this should be product dot. And then when I'm done, I'm going to say await promise.all settled. And that's just going to be my like sync check. This should probably be a let. And I'll just reassign it. And then I will go through and get the statuses of them. Okay. Let's try it again. Should take longer. It was going so quick, which was some of the confusion. 2.8. There we go. 6 success, 0 fail. Okay, cool, cool, cool. I'm getting some undefined values, which is weird. But those they fulfilled successfully. It's interesting. I might just do this. Pull scan props, and then that's gonna That's going to be result, and then value. Instead of the whole value, I just want to do yeah, that could be an issue though. Yeah. What was it over here? Status. Account ID. And the ASIN, maybe the total number of offers. Oh, I just want scan ID actually. Scan ID. Hi, P4I. I am not familiar with AWS. Sorry, man, can't help you. I'm more of a front-end guy. I'm trying to debug some issues. And so that's the scan ID. And I guess I'm just curious how many offers it has. I don't even need that to be, I can look it up. I'll just do the scan ID for now. Okay. So results that scan success total equals let's try that. Okay, I got the results info. Instead of results, let's call that scan results. Just so we know that's what it is in case we're doing other things. Six total, no failed. Wow. See, but I'm still getting undefined back on some of them. I'm not sure why that is. That could be because of an error being thrown. No. Because I'm catching an error, there should be a message if there is an error. Let's see. What case would I return undefined? If there is no, that's not, that's for the offers. I should always be returning results with something in it. Let's get our processes real quick. They should all be in here now. We probably got a bunch going. 10, yeah. Here's where we started getting some actual scans in. With our results. Let me clear out the scans. So if I refresh this, I should have some scans in here. Some of them, they're kind of intermittent. Let's see the status real quick. 13 scans failed. Let's clear our scans. So we have no scans right now. I'm gonna go run this one again. Let me kill this real quick. Restart. Run the scheduler again. Six successes. And let's look at the logs. Gave me all the scan IDs. Cool. So 6 successful scans. So all these should have prices now. Oh shit, I hit the refresh prices button. Well, that's fine. We can see 2 scans now. I just meant to refresh like normal, but cool. That's it for scanning, I guess. I have a processes page, which is pretty nasty. You can see all the prior ones. That one took, it's got the actual run times in there. Now I have some more information on there. Let me show. For milliseconds, I'm going to change this to seconds. Zero 0.0 seconds. Cool. Stretch. Okay. And atop of the headers, I want to show down to there. Results. process scan results. To make it shorter, total, oh wait, scans total. Successful. Failed. And let me confirm that is what I called them. Excuse me. Scan success total and scans failed total. Scan success total and scan failed total. It's missing that data, but oops, it should be this. Total 6 successful, 6 failed. This because those are zeros, they're coming back as nulls. Doing some ghetto formatting real quick. There we go. Cool. I'm wondering if I should track like a has value kind of thing. But I guess it wouldn't have the scan ID if it didn't. Okay. So, let me see. What else we need to do? Not in here. Scan all products. The only thing is for the scan all products, I need to add some try catches in case things break. So here I'll also want to do the throw. I'll set that to false. And I'll give it an error. Let me see if there's any other. Well, let's test this out. So, scan all products. Let's say we throw new error. Could not connect to products. This is a fake error. Scan results, false, result error. This page still loads okay. And let me update that process page to show that in case there is one. I think I have an error class. Did I make one? That's not the right file. Error text. Like the song. It's called String Journey. Let's try that. Could not connect to products. Cool. Okay, so we have an error, we're showing the error. If we get a generic level error, otherwise we're just pulling out the results. Now let's double test. I don't think we need that anymore. If scan all offers throws an error, that would just be in our scan results as a failed scan. So maybe that's it. Maybe that's all the checking we need to do. I'm gonna comment these out. Don't need those anymore. I mean, I guess that's it. The next step that I really want to do is alerting you if one of your scans has reached a certain price. But that's something that I would do in probably the scan all offers library. I would say allow alerts or alert user. I'm not going to set that up today. This stream is probably planned to be a little shorter. We're a little under an hour right now, so maybe we can kill it there. I think the other thing that I will run into is that actually maybe not. Maybe that's it and we're ready to push it up, huh? Let me see if there's anything else that we left out. I don't think so, man. Let's push it up and get it going. This could actually just be down here then, if I'm going to do that. Okay. Pushing up. Forgot to do a version bump, but I guess I don't need to on this. That's kind of back-end code. It's not front-end wise, not consumer wise, so. Let's see. Versal. I'm logged in with GitHub, I think. Let me hide my code real quick. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six. That was my verification code, in case you're wondering. And we're back. The process is done. Let's see, when was the last time this guy ran? Just ran. Gotta log in. Hold on, let me align my screen again. Okay, we're back. So, I'll have to wait for another scan unless I update this, but I might just end up waiting for it. Waiting for the next scan, see when it comes. So, let's call it. Actually, let me check that off my list. So run process scans, boom. But the move product to top, that's a new one. Set target price is what I want to do next. I need to do that in the UI. And I will also need to do the code with that. I'm gonna try to hop on stream with Coding Garden again and pair on that. Let's keep this to be a short one. All right, y'all. Let me see. I don't have any viewers to raid. I don't want to raid someone's channel with no viewers. That's real nerdy. But all right, we'll check you out next time. Maybe later this week. I think on Friday or this weekend. I'll see. Let you know. All right, y'all.